Hello and welcome back to Left, Right and Centre. Today we are focusing also on the agrarian crisis which is affecting many states across the country, and especially what do farmers now want given that the union budget is very close. What are their real demands to ensure that more farmer suicides really don't take place? I am Tejas Mehta and just now in Yavatmal in Maharashtra. Joining me is also Sunetra Chaudhary, who is in Bundelkhand in Madhya Pradesh. She's also travelled to Uttar Pradesh to get a sense of what's happening there, and also Uma Sudhir, who is in Telangana just now and travelled to Karnataka to get a real sense on the ground what's really happening there. But let's get a sense from here in Maharashtra first, from the people here. We have with us two political workers. Both are presidents of the BJP and the Shiv Sena here, of the local Pandharkada unit in Yavatmal. बताइए, आप भाजपा से ही है, आपकी सरकार है यहाँ. क्या आपकी सरकार ने ऐसे कदम लिए हैं कि यहाँ के किसानों को राहत मिल रही है?
भाजपा के सरकार को जिस प्रकार से चुन के दिया, उस प्रकार से सरकार किसानों के लिए जिस प्रकार से काम करना चाहिए था, उस प्रकार से इस सरकार ने किसानों को छोड़कर औद्योगिक क्षेत्र में बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रही है. पर किसानों का विषय इस सरकार ने थोड़ा सा दूर ही रखा. यही मेरा कहना है. क्या किसानों के विषय पे सरकार ने
भाजपा में रह के आपके ही सरकार के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं. कई लोग बोले कि ये कांग्रेस की लाइन है.
नहीं, मेरा कहना है, मैं एक सजेशन देना चाहता हूँ मेरे पार्टी को. क्या किसानों के क्षेत्र में आज जो किसान आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए उन किसानों की आत्महत्या रोकने के लिए सरकार ने कुछ उनका मनोबल ऊंचा करने के लिए काम करना चाहिए. यही मेरा कहना है.
आप क्या कहेंगे? आप एनसीपी से है.
हाँ, यही जो आज सत्ते में सरकार है, यही जो 1-1.5 साल पहले विपक्ष में थी, तो ये सरकार ने हरदम शेतकरी के विषय में आंदोलन किया है. क्या शेतकरी के कपास को 7,000 रुपये भाव दो, 8,000 रुपये भाव दो. आज जब ये काश्तकार ये यवतमाल जिले में है, ये यवतमाल जिले में आज तक सबसे ज्यादा महाराष्ट्र में आत्महत्या हुई है, तो यवतमाल जिले का कपास ये पूरे देश में अच्छा कपास करके गना जाता है. तो ये यहाँ के कपास के रेट क्यों 4,000?
MSP बढ़ाना चाहिए. That's been a very big point of view from many farmers that as Prime Minister Modi had promised in his election campaigning before the 2014 elections, MSP has to be reduced, has to be increased, and that's exactly what we have been discovering right through the day. What exactly is the MSP of cotton, which is the most produced crop here in Vidarbha, and what actually are farmers really spending on that? Take a look at this first-hand ground report and the voice from farmers.
The insensitive babus are not implementing the schemes. Corruption is at peak. That is the problem. So people punished that government. And if that corruption at grassroots level is not changed, the people will have a same punishment to these people.
A warning the Narendra Modi government should heed to. Kishore Tiwari, appointed by the Maharashtra government to head the Farmers Distress Task Force, slamming the state and the centre, insisting insensitivity of bureaucrats and large-scale corruption on the ground are to blame for the unprecedented number of farmer suicides despite measures being taken. This budget, farmers in Maharashtra's Yavatmal district demanding the Prime Minister fulfills his election promise of a 50% increase in minimum support prices. Cotton is the biggest produce in Vidarbha and the government has set the MSP at 4,000 rupees per quintal. But farmer Mahesh Bolkuntwar says it takes 34,000 rupees to grow cotton on an acre of land. All that the farmer gets at government rates is 28,000 rupees, suffering a loss of 6,000. And so, some sell it privately where they can earn 32,000 rupees, but still end up in the red. The cotton sold privately is then sold at double the price.
We buy near about 4,300 to 4,500 per quintal. We sell 9,200 rupees per quintal.
And despite the losses, the farmer still has to run his family, pay for electricity, healthcare and education. At Bolkuntwar's fields, the stress of farming clearly visible, with a dozen bottles of cheap country liquor strewn all over.
खेत में काम करते लेबर उनको देशी दारू पिए बगैर काम ही नहीं कर सकते हो। क्यों? तो ये जो पेस्टिसाइड मारते हैं उसको जलन होता है शरीर के अंदर, वो मारे बगैर वो काम ही नहीं कर सकती, इसलिए हमको खुद के पैसे से लाके ये शराब पिलाना पड़ता। ये हाल है हमारे आज।
In simple words, minimum support price only means the farmer can make some money, some profit out of the produce he has grown. This mountain of cotton bales here is the result of immense hard work, a lot of suffering, and many of the farmers would have also committed suicide. And it's the same cotton which is used in the expensive clothes that we wear. No, it's not about taking you through a guilt trip here, but it's about understanding their point of view. Farmers who insist, who are praying, who are hoping, who are demanding that they be given what is only reasonable, what is only due to them. With camera person Sanjay Mandal, in Yavatmal, Tejas Mehta for NDTV. So that's the situation here in Maharashtra, but Sunetra has much more from MP. Sunetra, water being the biggest issue in MP and Uttar Pradesh in the Bundelkhand area.
That's right. We're just flitting in between Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, both of them, Bundelkhand region covering all of them. And now we are in the Jhansi, which is the district headquarters for one of the major Bundelkhand areas. And with me, some of the farmers. Now, if there's one thing which differentiates Bundelkhand's drought situation and what it is for the farmers over here is that while Tejas was talking about the losses, what is really significant is that the drought has been here for the last decade. They've only had respite for a year or two now and then. So a lot of farmers are actually now laborers, and that's what you'll see in the report. But what's also interesting is the fact that while other states can say that these are the many farmers who've died, what the farmers over here are unsure because nobody acknowledges. So the farmers have their own figure, but the state doesn't acknowledge who are the people who have committed suicide. मैं ये पूछना चाहती थी कि जो इतने यहाँ के जो किसान हैं, जिन्होंने आप लोग कहते हैं 400 करीब किसान एक पिछले साल में उन्होंने खुदकुशी की है, लेकिन सरकार कहती है ये इसकी कोई प्रूफ नहीं है।
नहीं, देखिए अब सरकार कैसा प्रूफ चाहती है मुझे मेरी समझ में नहीं आया। जो आदमी कर्ज में है, जिसने कर्ज ले रखा है, हमारे यहाँ जो फसल का नुकसान हुआ है, मैं कर्ज चुका नहीं पा रहा हूँ, जो प्रेशर आ रहा है हमारे ऊपर, जहाँ से मैंने कर्ज लिया है उसकी वजह से हमने आत्महत्या की। मैं सरकार से और मैं मीडिया से भी पूछना चाहता हूँ, क्या कोई खुशी में तो आत्महत्या नहीं करता है? जिसने आत्महत्या की उसके कारण फिर सरकार बता देगा किस
आपने क्या इस बार अपने बीज उगाए हैं वहाँ पे आपके? हाँ। और क्या हुआ उनका?
पहली फसल में, खरीफ की फसल में उड़दा, तिली, मूंगफली वगैरह
बिल्कुल नहीं आया। और किस वजह से?
सब सूख गए, पानी नहीं।
So the main thing comes down to the big crisis which everyone's saying about Bundelkhand is that by March things are going to dry off completely, and that's what we saw in the village where we went to earlier in the day. These are the little women of Rajpura village in Bundelkhand. The 5 sisters aged 14 to 24 have never been to school because they couldn't afford it, but being farmers' daughters, they always had something to eat.
अपना खेती से हो जाता था।
हाँ, क्या क्या होता था पहले?
वो चना मटर हो जाती, गेहूं हो जाते खाने के लिए।
Till this January, when the lack of rains finally dried up their 2 bigha zameen, limited plot of land, and the entire family was left to digging ditches for 160 rupees a day. Thanks to the Manrega scheme, which in drought time has become the sole solace for the family. पहला कितना बना लेते थे मम्मी पापा, कितना बना लेते थे?
हो जाते 10-12
हजार हो जाते थे। और अब
कुछ नहीं।
The sisters' plight is echoed in the rest of the village, where all farmers have given up on their dried rabi crops and turned to doing manual labor with their entire families. The centre has announced 50 extra days per year of work for drought-affected areas, but the farmers say they're not getting all the money.
मेरी है कि 2 महीना काम किया, 7 दिन का पैसा आया।
क्यों इतने कम क्यों आता है?
आ ही नहीं रहा ऊपर से।
पैसे तो आपके प्रधान वगैरह देते हैं ना?
प्रधान के वहाँ चेक बैंक द्वारा आता है तो 7 दिन का आया है बस, इसके बाद आया नहीं।
All those layers of steps behind me, that's where 40 feet deep water body used to be till 2 years ago. And since then, it has dried up and so has the water source for 16 villages. यूपी सरकार का ये कहना है कि बुंदेलखंड के जहाँ पे इतना ज्यादा सूखा है, आपको वाटर टैंकर भेजे जा रहे हैं. क्या वाटर टैंकर भेजे जा रहे हैं?
नहीं भाई.
No water for irrigation, not even to drink. Wells are dry and pumps faulty after the last rains in July, even though officially they say all pumps have been fixed. Gorelal, a farmer, tells us that's the reason he contemplates suicide every night. Gorelal says the only thing that stops him from committing suicide like the 400 others in Bundelkhand in the past year is that he feels it is sin. In Rajpura village of Jhansi with camera person Rajesh Gupta, Sunitra Chaudhary for NDTV. The Bundelkhand farmers hope the government is listening. Uma Sudhir, it's now over to you.
Yes, indeed. Bidar district perhaps represents the kind of situation that's prevailing all over North Karnataka and also Telangana. I have with me Mr. Ramanjanelu and Srihari. Sir, the kind of situations that are happening here, drought, successive years, what is your expectation from the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister?
2016 is also going to be a serious drought year, already predicted. So government should come up with a serious risk management plan across the country to change the cropping patterns and also support farmers for making a shift in that. Similarly, there is a indebtedness increasing across the country. Government should increase the allocations for farmers, and to make credit accessible to the small and marginal farmers, particularly the tenant farmers, central government should set up a credit guarantee fund.
I'm going to very quickly ask you, what is your one important suggestion to the Prime Minister?
He should definitely, invariably, has to increase the minimum support price for all agricultural products. As if the farmer is getting 25 to 30,000 loss per acre of cultivation because of low MSP fixed by the union government, and they are not following the Swaminathan Commission report on fixing the MSP, that should be followed immediately. And apart from that, liberal loans should be provided to all rural farmers to bail them out from the private money lenders. Private money lenders, the farmers are paying 1 lakh rupees of interest and 3 lakh of loan amount for 1 year. They are paying 1 lakh rupees of interest. They could not able to come out of it.
So institutional credit is something that they require at a time when they have no incomes. In fact, the kind of water crisis and food crisis that we are seeing is not limited just to the farmer alone, but also to his livestock. We bring you this ground report from Bidar district. Bhim Reddy is worried. The stock of dry fodder is running out. The grazing grounds are bare. Summer is fast approaching. What will the cattle eat?
गाय के लिए देखो ये सूखे सोए डाल रहे हैं, इसको ये भी नहीं मिल रहा है. अभी मैं ये छोड़ के कोई भी किसी को भी लेके जाओ बोले तो भी कोई नहीं लेके जा रहा है.
4 successive seasons of severe drought in Bidar district has meant more and more cattle are being put up for sale.
2 साल से बारिश नहीं गिर रही है, उसके वास्ते हालात तो बोल नहीं सकते हम, वैसा हुआ है. इतना बुरा हालात है. ये 1.5 लाख का बैला है, ये 25,000 में कौन भी नहीं ले रहा.
The deepest and biggest well in Mangalgi village, for instance, has gone bone dry.
ये 60 साल का पुराना बॉडी है. ये बहुत पानी था इसमें. 3 साल से यहाँ पे बिदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो बरगाल हो रहा है, बरगाल से पूरा बॉडी सूख गया. जानवरों को पीने के लिए पानी नहीं है, तो आदमी को पीने के लिए पानी नहीं है. पूरा ड्राई लैंड दिख रहा है. देखो इधर सब हमको पूरा लॉस है, किसानों को लॉस है.
Dairy cattle and livestock provide a lifeline to farmers at a time when crops fail. But severe drought over successive years has made survival difficult for both man and animal. Cattle fodder camps are desperately needed in this region, ironically at a time when Maharashtra has ordered them closed in some districts. In Bidar district with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV. We'll continue to bring you reports from across the country from all the drought affected areas in our special focus on the killing fields. Thank you, Sunitra, and thank you, Sajas, for joining us. That's it then on this special left, right and center.